After covering the undercuts, marking the margins, applying the die hardener and die spacer, the areas ready to receive wax are lubricated so the wax doesn't stick to the die. Wax coping should have a uniform thickness all around. Additional wax should be added to support the overlaid material. A sufficient space of 1 to 1.5 millimeters above the wax coping should be left for the overlaying material such as porcelain. For minimum thickness of wax copings, refer to the manufacturer's specifications for the alloy used in fabrication or final restoration. Wax collars can be placed around the entire wax coping or on the lingual and proximal surface like in this case. The thickness of the collar is determined by the amount of support and design envisioned for the final restoration. Before waxing the pontic, the saddle area should be slightly scraped with the knife to create compression of the restoration against the gums so the food doesn't accumulate in between the gums and the restoration. Die hardener and die lubricant are then applied to the saddle area. Properly shaped wax-ups, collars, and sufficient space surrounding the pontic should be provided to support the overlaying material. When connecting pontics to the copings, the wax should be applied to both sides at the same time to prevent pulling in one direction, as the wax is cooling and contracting. Finished wax-ups should be smooth, have no sharp corners, and resemble the anatomy of the dentition to be restored.